let's make some Kraft Dinner. First, you get a pot and you fill it with water and you get it to start heating. Then you get your box of Kraft Dinner and you open it and take the cheese out. Now, to make the best Kraft Dinner, you need some extra ingredients. You're gonna need a can of tuna. You're gonna need a can of mushroom soup. And we're also gonna need a little bit extra cheese. You don't need much, but a little bit will do. And lastly, you'll need some margarine and a little bit of milk. Alright, now that the water's boiling, we add our Kraft Dinner. And stir it up so they don't get all clumped together. Now it is important to remember to use a plastic spoon and a non-stick pot so you don't end up scratching off the Teflon. Teflon is biologically inert as far as I'm aware. I'm not a doctor, don't quote me. But you still probably don't want to eat it. Let that boil for a couple of minutes until they're nice and soft, but not too soft, because there's a little bit of extra cooking required with this one. And turn down the heat a little bit so it doesn't boil over, and it's not necessary to keep it on maximum temperature. Alright, now it's been about 6 minutes and the noodles are done. They will now need to be strained, because then they'll get all mushy. No one wants mushy noodles. And a quick rinse in hot water. And leave that for a moment. Now, a can of mushroom soup, a can of tuna, just a little bit of milk. You don't need a lot of milk, especially not as much milk as the recipe says for. A bit of margarine and our cheese sauce pack. Might need a little bit more milk. Mix all that together. It looks nasty, but it's going to taste amazing. Let's get that all mixed together thoroughly. You want the heat on medium-low here, because you still do need heat because the margarine has to melt, the milk has to warm up, and the cheese has to mix together. And now, you can add in some of the extra cheese. Now you don't need much. When it comes to this, a little bit goes a long way. Just let that simmer for a bit. And we'll go ahead and add in the noodles now, so they don't get all coagulated. Go. Mix that all together. There we go. That's starting to look like it. Very creamy and sticky. Now you don't want to burn it now because it's pretty easy to burn milk. So don't get it too hot, don't rush it. Keep stirring it as cheese melts. Try not to mash up the noodles too much. It helps if you get them a little bit al dente. Don't necessarily cook them too thoroughly. Just let that heat up a bit. Alright, now it's starting to get stringy. That means that the cheese is melted. And you're pretty much done. Just mix it up a bit more. Make sure all that good marbled cheese is all mixed in. Look at that. Amazing. Next, you season to taste with some black pepper. Black pepper is my favorite. Some people like hot sauce and ketchup. I'm okay with the hot sauce. Ketchup is sacrilege. If you put ketchup on your mac and cheese, your Kraft Dinner. Bon appetit. So good. Delicious. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked. Thumbs up if you didn't like. Thumbs up if mushrooms are awesome. Thumbs up if mushrooms are not awesome. Just a thumbs up. Come on, be nice.